Hello, my name is Reed Alexander, and in this video I will be reviewing my 3D printer, the Monoprice Maker Select V2, and let's get started. Overall, I think it's a pretty good 3D printer, mainly for beginners, and I think if you want to modify the printer, like add a self-leveling sensor so you don't have to level the bed, or you want to film time lapses, then it's not a very good printer for that, because you have to void the warranty to modify the printer, and time lapses don't look good because the bed moves back and forth. That's just my thoughts on that. And other than that, the quality is very good, especially when you get the settings for the slicer how you want them. And if you want me to share the settings I use for a slicer, then leave a comment down below. And but overall, it's a good printer. Mine was a little bit wobbly, the base was, and especially during prints it'd move sometimes, but just getting a rubber mat or any, like maybe even just a towel to put under it, then that will reduce the noise and reduce the movement. And also another thing to keep in mind is that the fan that is cooling the motherboard that this printer uses is like always on when the printer's on, and it spins really fast and is pretty loud. So if you want to put this where you work, like in an office, then I do not recommend that. I'd say to look at another printer. And if you wanted to put it like in your bedroom, I also don't recommend that, unless you're going to get some sort of enclosure to dull the noise down. And but other than those small things I mentioned about time lapsing and upgrading the printer, it's a very good printer for beginners, especially considering the price, and the build volume is quite good for the price as well. So thanks for watching.